Can you tell Mama what the animals all are?
Yeah.
What's this guy?
Well, gorilla.
Gorilla? What does a gorilla say? Yep.
Not gorilla.
Is that another gorilla? What else do you have?
Gorilla.
Is that two gorillas?
Nice.
Nice kisses for the gorillas. Thorsten, what's this guy?
Zebra.
Is that the zebra?
Sheep.
Wait, oh, what else do you have? Who's this? I know, but if you look at the video, you're not in it. See, it's just of the TV playing music. Yeah. So what's this guy?
Moose. No moose. No
You
moose.
don't want the moose? Okay. Where's the rhinoceros? Can you find the rhinoceros? Where is he?
Yeah.
Where is he?
Moose. Moose.
Is that the moose? Do you- Is that a polar bear?
Moose.
Moose, yep. What else is there? Who's this?
Giraffe.
Is that a giraffe? We like to give the giraffe kisses. Yeah, very nice giraffe. Do you remember who this is?
Camel.
Good job. Got a kiss for the camel? Good job. And what's this?
Lion.
What's the lion say? We hope so. Do you know where your rhinoceros is? Oh, what's this? Elephant. Polar bear.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Where's the other guy?
Okay.
Is he okay?
Cobra.
Polar bear. Do you remember what this is?
The Elvis.
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 Black Panther.
Picture.
How about this one?
Joshi's.
Blue heron.
Where?
He's a birdie, isn't he? Kind of like a duck bird. How about this guy?
Not gorilla.
Gorilla.
Not gorilla.
Another gorilla.
What? 1 foot.
We just had rhinoceros. Where did he go?
Go. Puppet. Puppet.
Polar bear? What's a polar bear say? Yeah? Where can the rhinoceros be? Can you put that back for Mama? Good job.
My pool bear. My pool bear.
Yeah, I don't think Vladimir really wants the polar bear. So I think you're safe. Are you trying to find the rhinoceros? Is he on the couch? That's where we found him last time, isn't it? Can you check? Did you find the rhinoceros?
Yeah.
Come show Mama. Where's your rhinoceros? Oh, now we're on a hunt. Are we hunting rhinoceros? Rhinoceri? It's really only one rhinoceros. Whoa.
Uh-oh. Please. Rooster.
Rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. Can you make the rooster? What'd you make? Look at this. What did you make, Thorsten? Oh, now we're backwards. Good job.